Begin by settling into a comfortable position where your body and mind can truly relax. Lower your gaze or softly close your eyes and allow the natural rhythm of your breath to center you. Inhale deeply, feeling cool air filling your lungs, and exhale slowly, releasing tension with every breath. Notice any areas of tightness in your body and gently invite them to soften. With each soft breath, imagine drawing in a sense of calm and exhaling any stress that might linger. In this quiet moment, acknowledge the presence of an inner voice, a critic that sometimes questions your worth. Without judgment, simply notice this voice and let it recede into the background as you embrace the sensation of peace settling in. Recognize that this time is yours alone, a sanctuary from the busyness of thought. Feel the support of the earth beneath you and the quiet, secure space within you. Allow your mind to become a canvas for calm, and know that with each breath, you are creating a more compassionate space for yourself. Now gently shift your awareness to the inner critic that has at times spoken too harshly. Visualize this critical voice as a transient cloud drifting lazily across a vast blue sky. As you watch, acknowledge its presence without engaging with it. Ask yourself with tender curiosity, where does this voice come from? What hidden fear or old habit of thought might it be echoing? Recognize that while this critic once may have been a misguided guardian, its language of judgment is not the truth of who you are. With every exhalation, imagine soft, warm light gently dissolving the sharp edges of these critical words. Allow yourself to replace criticism with kindness, offering understanding to that part of you that longs for protection. In this compassionate observation, notice how the inner critic's intensity diminishes, leaving more room for acceptance and ease. Trust that by simply acknowledging it, you are beginning to transform its message into one of care and gentle inquiry. Shift your attention now toward the creation of mental space, a spacious, clear sky within your mind, where new ideas can emerge freely. As you continue breathing steadily, imagine your thoughts as soft, scattered clouds that drift across the expanse of your inner vision. Each exhale carries away remnants of clutter or doubt, while every inhale opens up additional room for clarity. In this expansive state, visualize the silence growing richer and deeper, inviting fresh inspiration and innovation. Notice how, as the inner critic quiets down, a peaceful openness unfolds, making way for creativity to bloom. With every breath, embrace this sense of liberation, trusting that the quiet space you are nurturing is a fertile ground for new insights. Appreciate the gentle ebb and flow of thoughts as they come and go, each leaving behind a calm residue that encourages you to explore novel perspectives with confidence and ease. Begin to integrate these experiences by drawing your focus back to the steady rhythm of your breath. Feel each inhale as a moment of renewal, and each exhale as a gentle release of remaining tension or self-doubt. Reflect on the stillness you have cultivated, the softening of the inner critic, and the spaciousness that now holds potential for new ideas. In this moment of integration, remind yourself that self-compassion and creative possibility are always within reach. Imagine gathering these insights like seeds of light that will continue to grow over time. Affirm that you are worthy of kindness and that the inner dialogue can shift from criticism to nurturing support. Let the calm and clarity you are experiencing serve as a reminder that with each mindful breath, you are investing in a deeper relationship with yourself, one built on understanding and gentle strength. Slowly begin to return your awareness to the present space around you. As you gently move your fingers and toes, carry with you the sense of quiet strength and the spacious sanctuary you have created within. Allow gratitude to fill your heart for the time you've spent nurturing your inner self and softening old, harsh voices. Remember that this peaceful awareness is always available to you, a wellspring of creativity and acceptance that you can return to at any moment. As you prepare to move forward into your day, hold onto the possibilities that emerge from this calm space. Thank you for giving yourself this precious gift of mindful care and for opening a door to new ideas and gentle self-acceptance.